Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 5 young kiddos, and I make cleaning content here on YouTube. I share my life and just the realistic day-to-day messes that happen in my house. My life is not perfect, and I don't aspire to be perfect. I am just living my day by day, trying to be a better mom, a better wife, and a better individual in society. So that feels like a lot to manage, and honestly it is a lot to manage, but God is so good. He is so faithful, and he gets us through whatever it is we are aspiring to get through. And if you're on a cleaning and decluttering journey, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I hope you find motivation through my channel. I hope you follow all my shorts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a week's worth of cleaning and decluttering my house, starting from Monday to Friday.
Hi, Big Mama.
I'll have all the clips just compiled into this video so that you can see what it looks like as I clean throughout the week. let me know in the comments what your favorite type of long form video of mine is and what you would like to see me do more of. If you've made it this far, leave me a fish emoji in the comments. I'm so happy you're here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for continuing to encourage me through this journey. Know that you're not alone. We'll see you in our next one. Bye for now.